Good morning, dear aspirant. To start with today's news, navigating India's security and agricultural frontiers. So, India-Pakistan tension escalate after Pahalgam attack. So, top Indian security officers, including Air Force Chief, Navy Chief, and others, brief PM that on the options, whatever the options is there following the Pahalgam terror attack. So, India has reportedly initiated control of water flow from the Baglihar and Kishanganga dams. Pakistan responded by banning Indian flagged ships and halting trade of Indian goods at its ports. So this is the tensions keep on going. Strategic significance of Indus Water Treaty is India is said to be regulating flow from Baglihar Dam on Chennai, Kishanganga Dam on Jhelum. However, due to treaty constraints, India cannot unilaterally store or block water beyond a certain limit. Baglihar Dam, which is a strategic asset on the Chenab. It is located in Jammu and Kashmir, and the river is Chenab. The Baglihar Dam is a run-of-the-river hydropower plant on the Chenab River. Kishanganga Dam, located in Jammu Kashmir Gurus Valley on the Kishanganga Neelam. Pakistan claims the dam violates the Indus Water Treaty by diverting water. The Kishanganga Dam project, also known as the Neelam Jhelum project, is a hydroelectric dam on a tributary of the Jhelum River. India is considering similar actions at the Kishanganga Dam, restricting water flow along the Baglihara Dam. From ploughs to panels, cultivating a solar-powered future for farmers, solar energy generation, clean electricity productions, agricultural production, continue crop, land use efficiency. So agrivoltaic is something called agri-solar farming. That is a new technology that allows farmers to produce electricity while growing their crops. This technology was introduced by Adolf and Armin Zastro. So presently it is being used successfully in countries like India, America, France, Britain and Germany. So Asian Development Bank funding is there for agrovoltaics in UP. Genome edited seeds to mark beginning of second green revolution. Chauhan, Union Agriculture Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan announced development of 2 genome edited rice variety in India. These seeds are expected to boost production while reducing irrigation need and greenhouse gas emission. Chauhan linked this advancement to the start of a second green revolution. So ICAR played a key role in the development. So GM crops involves crossing species of the same genus to provide the offspring with the desired right of both parents. Transgenic is introducing a gene from a different species into a plant. Other GM crops is BT brinjal rhesus fruit, BT cotton, ChatGPT's Shopify integration. OpenAI is integrating ChatGPT with the Shopify, enabling product discovery, recommendation, and purchase. So the tool has been developed by OpenAI, which is a research institute, and this tool knew every topic under the sun. You can ask it to write a program or even a simple software. Okay. Try to answer this question. Discuss the role of genome editing in Indian agriculture. How can it contribute to a second green revolution while addressing climate change and sustainability? Thank you. Have a great day.